Very excited, very nervous.
Richa is a sweetheart. He is the cutest bride ever I had. The dancing bride.
That's the bride image that I have. Very good. Amazing.
I just want to grow old with her.
Oh God. I'm getting the hamper. Thank you, sugar.
Hi, it's my wedding day today and she's Pallavi. She's come all the way from Delhi for my makeup.
Here's your story, let's begin.
I was so excited to doll her up. I love your lehenga color.
It's right before your eyes. You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living now.
For the Richa wedding look, I went for the peaches shade with tone of brown to enhance her eyes.
Like a normal everyone stalking everyone on Instagram, we started doing that.
You and I, we were meant to be.
We've known each other for 7-8 months now.
Feel it in my soul.
We live so close by. It never, crossed anyone's mind that, this would happen.
When I look into your eyes, love overflow, I'm never letting go.
Getting married to him was a very crazy idea.
Life I give to you.
She's very loving.
He's very charming. I love his smile.
Never ceasing, our love grows ever increasing. I won't let you go. We were made for each other.
Hey love, you've made the journey to this special day easy, fun and a memorable one. You not only effortlessly handled the big task but also made sure I didn't miss out on the little joys while prepping for this big day. So here's a little sugar for my sugar bride tribe to remind you how special you both are. So firstly, thank you for the hamper. It's really beautiful. It coincidentally matches with my dupatta. So I'm very happy. So these two are my favorite ones, liquid lipstick. Thank you so much, House of Vian. Really beautiful Jutti and the Potli. I just like to, thank Sugar for, giving me this opportunity to be their bride. Very exciting, mind blowing.